Hi there, welcome back to my channel, and I'm very happy to see you here. My name is Soy, and I'm a UX designer at Google. It is the holiday season, and I wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. I would also like to give away a free holiday gift to my subscribers, which is a free resume critique. In order to receive this gift, you just need to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment down below to let me know that you're interested. I will then pick one subscriber to do this free resume critique with me for 30 minutes. Many mentees ask me if I can give some resume tips. Yes, I would love to because I think resume is definitely one of the most important assets that helps you stand out in a sea of applicants. And it's very challenging to sell your strongest skill set and accomplishments to impress recruiters and hiring manager in a one-page resume. So in today's video, I would like to share some cheat sheets of keywords that you can directly grab and use to describe your past experiences in a resume. And then I'm going to share 3 tips of building a successful resume that will help you get hired. Also, I am providing a UX resume template to help you build a perfect resume with ease. It's a resume template that helped me land my very first UX design full-time job in Silicon Valley right out of college. If you're a working professional looking to change industry and become a UX designer, or a student who is applying for a UX internship or your first UX jobs, then this UX resume template is for you and will save you hundreds of hours in creating a resume from scratch with real examples and actionable tips. On my channel, I am dedicated to all things about UX job interviews and product designs, and I'm also offering one-on-one career coaching to help you nail your next job interviews. So if you want to get more career advice, do a mock interviews, or just want to talk about career development in general, feel free to use the link down below to book a session with me. Also, follow me on Instagram if you want to reach out to me or just want to learn more about what I do outside of work. My Instagram handle is SoyDesign_Picks. In good stories that are engaging to audiences, word choices are definitely very critical. Regardless of how many experiences you had in the past, don't be humble and remember to use strong action words and UX terminologies to highlight your past accomplishments and to demonstrate your expertise. Here are some of the action verbs you could use to describe your role and projects. This will make you sound confident while imparting vital information. Analyzed, achieved, built, conducted, coordinated, created, defined, designed, developed, delivered, drove, enhanced, established, evaluated, executed, generated, identified, implemented, improved, led, managed, oversaw, partnered, resolved, spearheaded, supported. And here are some terminologies of key skills and proficiencies you can use in your resume to demonstrate expertise. Accessibility, agile methodology, content development, color theory, customer journey, cross-functional, Figma, graphic design, prototyping, HTML, human-centered design, information architecture, interaction design, envision, product development, project management, user experience design, user interaction, user research, user stories, UX design, UX writing, usability design, user-centered design, visual storytelling, web development, wireframing. Something to be cautious about is not including details about how you improve the process or achieve the goal. So avoid using vague words that sound strong but don't actually provide any details. Words such as professional, results-driven, detail-oriented, go-getter, team player, and go-to-person provide very little helpful information. It is better to remove these phrases from your resume as they're not very helpful and take up precious space on your resume. Remember that a number is the most important evidence of your accomplishment in a resume. Quantifying your abilities through numbers shows your future employers that you can bring values to their companies if they hire you. If you have launched a project which resulted in X percentage increase in revenue, new user acquired, website traffic, user retention, and subscriptions, etc., Definitely call those numbers out in the very first bullet point to describe a experience. And here's an example. If the experience you had before was not a real work project, but a passion project or a course project, you could consider quantifying success by showing user satisfaction rate of user testings if available, or using numbers to show the impact of your work. For example, if you have helped organize an art exhibition or gave a design TED Talk which had lots of audiences, definitely include those numbers of audiences to show your impact. Here's an example of how to quantify impact. As UX designers, we should build our resumes as if we're crafting UX design work. In UX design, information hierarchy matters a lot. Essentially, information hierarchy is the principle of arranging elements to show their order of importance. Recruiters and hiring managers are most interested in learning more about your experiences like full-time job experience, internship experience, part-time job experience, and freelance experiences, etc. So in order to quickly catch readers' attention, you would want to prioritize experiences in the resume visual hierarchy. Here are two common resume layouts that I would like to recommend. One is a traditional single column layout with your name on top in the middle, followed by your personal information and portfolio link. Usually, you would be able to use simple tools like Google Doc or Microsoft Word to easily create such a layout. Going back to the information hierarchy topic, if you do have real work experiences like full-time job or part-time or internship experiences, etc., you could try impress recruiters and hiring managers with your work experience by showing them above your educational information, and then list your education skills at the bottom of a resume. If you're a new grad or are currently at school who don't have a lot of work experiences, but the school you attend is a good one, then showing your educational information above experiences might be a better choice, as your academic excellence is also proof of your skills and qualities. The other popular layout is a two-column layout. It's a more creative layout that works well for UX designer, visual designer, and other design job titles, as you can play around with some visual elements like using a theme color for important headlines and titles, or adding subtle visual decorations to emphasize certain information and to present your personal branding. It is easier to use design tools like Figma to create a two-column layout. Some job applicants might worry that resumes created using Figma might have some issues passing resume screenings if companies use parsing technologies to filter out resumes based on keywords. Honestly, I've been using resumes built by Figma since my graduations, and I haven't had any issues like that in the past. And as far as I know, a lot of companies today are still relying on recruiters to manually review each resumes they received because they want to make sure they're not missing out on any potential talents that could be good fits for open roles. Following an F-shaped pattern of reading on the web principle, you would want to show the most important information on the left side column. Same logic like I mentioned earlier. If you have real work experience, then definitely show them on the left. Vice versa, if your educational information and skills are more impressive, then show them on the left. So this is everything I would like to share with you all today. Thank you so much for watching. If you think this video is helpful, please give it a thumb up. And if you have any questions or there's any topics you're interested in, please feel free to comment down below. And I'll see you guys next time.